road is ending, praise God. Gloom and despair drowning you, fighting an illness can't explain. Stuck in your job, seeing no change. Divine timing, best spare the pain. Echoing your name, healing sound. Emerging love, divine connection. Growth in your life coming to an end. Coming long-awaited promotion. Amidst the road, don't be moved. There's a reason for every season. Stagnant, hold tight to your faith. Roots of faith deepen in dry seasons. Stay in faith with hope and calmness, nurturing the dream in your heart. Trusting your intuition, not your sight. That is faith at work in your heart. Showers of healing from above. Drought in your lives come to an end. Oh, cankerworms, it will be restored. Refreshing times coming, my friend. Unleash the Elijah within you. Thunder in the distance you hear. Unfold will your dreams, trust, believe. Give of life, peace and joy is our God. Blessings pouring from the Lord, withholding nothing from your life. Knows how to bring the latter rain. Rest in Him will be no more strife. Healing on the way, happiness. Blessings coming truly pleasing. His tender mercies won't withhold. Upon you His favor shortly shining. No more groping in the dark. Your blessings flood your life. Great joy and love headed your way. Peace, happiness